Okay, these girls, there's 10 of them in this group. We just weaned them 3 weeks ago, and we brought them over here from the new barn yesterday, and they've been on what we call this area the triangle pasture because it's in the shape of a triangle. Anyway, so they've been out here for a day, and I'm about to let them out into the pond pasture, and let's see about doing that. Hey girls, you want to go in the other pasture? Come on. Let's go. Yeah, come on. And here they come. Come on. Are you coming? Come on, Slowpoke. Let's go. Oh. A couple of them went up to the barn. Guess they'll come out later. I'll come up here and show you the... I don't want the wind to mess up with the sound. Crud. Get up in here. I'll turn around. These two finally came up after they realized that the other cows were out getting into the taller grass. Come on, let's go to the barn, girls. You guys head up there. So later in the day, I wanted to bring these cows back up because I didn't want them out in that new pasture for very long because they hadn't been out there before. So I wanted to bring them up for the evening and then let them back out tomorrow. Hey, you're not listening. Listen to Elion. Come on, girls. Let's go up to the barn. Come on. Hey, Black Betty, let's get moving. Come on. Let's go to the barn and get a drink. Let's go, girls. Come on, Black Betty. Let's go. You stay over there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, and if you already have, here's another video for you to watch.